This is not gouache, it's a highlighting titanium white from watercolor, but it's opaque, so I'm gonna use it anyway, right? So if you have gouache, it's better. So before you block it on the cat, right, mix this, right? So Laura, look, right, because you have the thing with the diluting that it was a little bit too thick, right? So let's see. You need to dilute this, I see that, to the point where it flows properly, right? Without dragging, but at the same time has good covering power. So this area, this part in here is now, because this is chunky, right? This is stringy. This part in here, you know, you see it, this part here is the diluted paint. And that's why you're trying to find the right dilution, right? It takes a while. Then you try it here, right? And that, see that? Makes sense, right? So that, when that is diluted properly, it will flow. So try it first, try here like this on a piece of paper. And then if you get that, you're good to go. If not, if it drags, stop right away, right? So now here, if I put it on the kitten here, right? That, right? See that? It's gonna be super opaque, right? So here, right? So, but you gotta really try to make the dilute the paint properly, right? Really. Then here you can also go over these areas of white and maybe increase even more the white, the compactness of the white, right? And add a little bit more detail in here like this, right? If needed, right? Being careful though, because it's very powerful, and then if you make it too strong, right? Like that, see that? That's not good, right? So what I do, I take it off. You need to have, when you have working wash, watercolor, you need to have a piece of paper that's to take off the paint like that, right? If you make a mistake, you can take it off right away. Right. So now, but again, try on a separate piece of paper before you do this on the victim, on the patient.